How to change or delete music on Instagram post. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. First, let's add the post and music. Simply click on plus button at the bottom, select any picture and then press on next. After pressing on next, again press on next, and in here you will find music option. Select the music and you can change music from here. To simply change or delete music on Instagram post, open Instagram post, edit post, and you'll find this kind of settings pop up, which is change music section, and you're good to go. This is how to change or delete music on Instagram post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.